Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with AOS. I'm Joshna and today's video it's about oneness and how you can feel one with the whole of whatever is around us, right? Before even getting into there, if we don't feel one with our own self, with our own body, with our own mind, how do we get to a place where we can feel the unity of everything? That's precisely what yoga is. So to just tap into that, very like scratching the surface of oneness, we're going to introduce a new idea of using a blindfold. So mine is really cute. I have a panda for a blindfold, but it doesn't have to be this cute. You can just use any of your, like a white cloth or actually a black cloth will actually block the lights, and or you can use any of your sleeping mask and put it on, and we'll do all the practice with that. So you're going to only use your ears to listen to the instructions and feel what's happening in your body and how can you connect that movement with your breath. So that's the whole idea behind this class, and see how in one we feel, how we feel one with our own self, with our own body, with our own breath. Yeah, so let's get started. So try and bring a mask and please put it on. So make sure the mask is not too tight so you feel your eyes are tired, or too loose that it falls off and disturbs you during the practice. Try and sit straight. Your eyes are anyway closed, so bring your awareness to your whole body. See where you have any kind of discomfort or any kind of pain that you want to let go or want to focus on and breathe through. Be aware of all the sensations you have right now in your body. With that awareness, let's bring the palms in Namaste position. We're going to chant Om together once. Inhale. Om. Say a small prayer in your heart. Now slowly drop your hands down, and slowly you're going to come into a box position. So find your space in the mat. So it's all only touch and feel and what you can hear. So cat camel position, it's otherwise called. So come into that space where your knees are hip width apart. So you can't really see where your knees are right now. So go with your intuition, go with your feeling you have. Now as you inhale, you lift your chin and chest up, open your chest. Exhale, draw your belly in, chin to your chest. It's a whole new experience, so be present and go slowly with the flow. Inhale, look up. Exhale, draw your belly in. Do this one more time. Inhale, look up. Exhale, draw your belly in, round your back. Inhale, come back to neutral spine. Now as you exhale, you're going to tuck your toes, lift your hips slightly up with your knees bent. So you're going to be in a downward dog position, but with your knees slightly bent. So draw your belly in, bend your knees. Feel that lengthening of the spine. Slowly going to straighten one leg at a time. So straighten your right leg, heel to the floor. Your left knee is still bent. You're still in a downward dog position. And you exhale, straighten your left leg and your right knee is bent. Excuse me, sorry. Take your right knee straight and then left. And your right
Straighten your leg and your left. So drawing your belly in, feel your whole body. You have extreme awareness now without your disturbance. Your eyes are not looking anywhere, so you are with your sensations. And your left, your right, and your left. Now straighten both legs in downward dog. Shoulders are relaxed, chest open. Try and fix your feet to the floor. If not, it's okay. You can slightly bend your knees. It's all about the experience. It's not about perfection. Being where you are and allowing things to happen. Now slowly you're going to bring your right leg between your palms. Your left knee is on the floor. Going to lift your chest up. Focus on breathing and see where you have any feeling of stretching or pain, or actually a good pain. You feel a slight stretch in your left thigh. Again, exhale, bring your leg back into downward facing dog. Now inhale, bring your left leg forward, because you're blindfolded. You have to go with the cues. And right knee is on the floor, lift your chest up, turn your head up towards the sky. Breathe here, 4, 3, 2, and slowly back into downward facing dog. So now from your downward dog, you're going to gently come into a high plank position. A plank means your shoulder, hips and feet are in line, chin tucked in. Breathe here, Ujjayi breaths, make a sound. Now exhale, drop your knees down, chest and chin down to the floor, either Chaturanga or whole body to the floor. Inhale, Cobra position. Bend your elbows, don't squeeze your shoulders to your ears. Make sure your feet is together, elbows are bent, shoulders relaxed. Exhale, push into downward facing dog. Now bring both your legs forward, just allowing your body to fold into a forward bend with your both knees bent. Drop your head down, your knees are slightly bent, so you're bending from your hips. If you can touch the floor or stay where you are. Feel the back of your legs, your hamstrings, calves, glutes, your lower belly, head. Now you're going to slowly roll and come back up. Again, you want to focus on your breathing here. Relax your breath. Great. Now take your hands behind, interlock your fingers, chest open. Now as you inhale, you're going to push your hips forward and arch your back with your hands behind. Exhale, bend your knees, take your chest towards your thighs, slightly bending your knees. You do a nice deep forward fold. As you exhale, drop your hands to the sides. Take your right leg back. You need to really know where your space is. And the crow, I can hear very clearly. And take your left leg back and come into a high plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin to the floor. Inhale, Cobra, Bhujangasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your right leg forward between your palms. Exhale, left leg forward but with your knees bent. Drop your head down to your knees. Inhale, slowly roll back up. Take your hands behind, interlock your fingers, arch your back. Exhale, release. Let's do the same flow on the left side. Inhale, interlock your fingers, arch your back. Exhale, slowly bend down, touch the floor, head down. Inhale, keep your knees bent please. Take your left leg back. Look up, hold the breath, your right leg back. Exhale, either knee, chest, chin down or fully to the floor or chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, into downward dog. Take your left leg forward between your palms, right knee on the mat, look up. Exhale, the other leg forward, with your knees bent, head down. Inhale, take your hands up with your body nice and rounded. So round your back, stand up. Interlock your fingers, arch your back. Exhale, release. Great. Without opening your eyes, try to sit down. I'm hoping I sit in the middle of the mat. Try to place your hands on your knees. Relax your face. Now watch your breath, how your chest and abdomen are engaged when you're breathing. When you observe your breath, you observe your body as well, how comfortable you are in this space. Do you feel that connection between you, the mental imagination of who you are, and to the body which is present here, and the breath which comes and goes with each inhalation and exhalation? So that kind of bringing your body, breath and mind together, it's the unity which you can experience in your physical self. Once that is established through a lot of consistent practice, definitely we can experience union outside of your physical self as well. So that's the goal of yoga, and with that we'll take our masks off. Oh, please open your eyes very slowly. If you're too sensitive to the light, you can put your palms back on, relax your eyes for a bit. Now slowly open your eyes and just look at your palms. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this session. It's just to give a glimpse of what's possible without looking, right? And if you already been a practitioner for a while, if you understand the name of the asanas, you can do a very longer practice, but just that I kept this practice short so everybody can try. Even if you're a beginner, you can try this movement and see and feel that unity within yourself. I hope you enjoyed this session. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, ciao, bye from AYS, and I'm Joshna.